Sit forward. Your glasses. And then when she sits back. Burp. Burp. Burp.
Mandy, that's good. Mandy, do it again.
Sit forward. Sit forward. Up. Sit forward. Sit up. Sit up. Put your head up. Put your head up. Forward. We have to work on our... Okay. Now sit back.
That's why I don't want her to handle my own.
You're getting so many fingerprints on your glasses, you're not going to see the movie anyway. What are we going to watch?
We're going to watch Kung Fu Panda 2. Yeah.
How are we going to watch it?
In 3D.
In super 3D.
Like this.
Yeah, you throw stuff at people.
You throw stuff at people?
Yes. You watching the movie? Man, I think I'm gonna puke. Hi everyone, and I think I'm gonna puke. Look at my new bird. Random.
All right.